first experience at RA here has been fun. It's been a nice way to see other people that I just see in conferences sometimes and through WEA trainings. So it's been a good way to connect back with people.
Now that I'm here in person, it finally made everything come together, realizing what we're actually doing at Representative Assembly. Being here, it's so much better, and it's so nice to connect with people all across the state.
This is such a welcoming event. It's a feel-good moment for everybody to see all educators together, working together. This shows our power, and you feel powerful when you come here.
Honestly, I was nervous coming, but I've been very pleasantly surprised. The more that I've gotten involved in WEA, the more that I've learned that so many of our current foundations are built on anti-racism and anti-bias, and people are pushing that work forward. And so I felt very welcome, and I want to make more teachers of color and more queer teachers feel welcome as well.
I started attending WEA Representative Assemblies back in 1969. I think what's changed the most over the years is just the diversity of issues and the diversity of the delegates themselves. That's a real positive development. The atmosphere is open, it's warm, it's welcoming, and it's democratic.
One of the things I really like about it is seeing people from all across the state come together and make decisions about where the future of the WEA is going. I don't know, it's fun to meet some people who you can tell are going to be future leaders in the organization.
I would say to anyone who wants to be a delegate, come and give it a try. It's a great place to be. It's a great place to talk through issues, and having a diverse perspective is so important.
And as a BIPOC teacher, as an LGBTQ teacher, we have been purposely left out of these conversations. And now having these opportunities where we are welcome in these spaces, we need to take advantage of that. And when we're provided those opportunities, just jumping in and not wasting those experiences, but making sure that our voices are heard and welcoming others as well, so that we can come in and make those changes.